We have here the following examples of improper fraction. As you can see, mas matataas po yung mga numerator nila, di ba? So we can convert that using long method division. So for example, we have 10 over 3. So yung 3 natin, yun yung magiging divisor, and yung 10 natin, yun yung nasa loob. So ilang 3 ang makukuha natin sa 10? Yes, it's 3, di ba? And 3 times 3 is 9. So 9. So 10 minus 9 is 1. So this is the remainder, and this is the answer or the quotient. So the quotient will be the whole number, and the remainder will be the numerator, and of course, yung divisor natin, yun yung magiging denominator natin. Or, para hindi malito, ikakopy lang yung divisor dito or denominator dito. Okay po? So, let's have another example. For example, we have, try natin to, 27 over 6. Diba? On the previous example, we use 6 as the divisor, and nasa loob is yung 27. So, ilang 6 ang makukuha natin sa 27? Very good. 4. And 4 times 6 is 24. So, 27 minus 24, it's 3. So, kaya na isulat? Okay. Yung quotient, yun yung magiging whole number. And yung copy lang yung 6 dito. And then, yung remainder, yun yung magiging numerator. So, we have 4 and 3 over 6. So, equal lang po yan.